iPhone 16 Pro, a comprehensive overview. The iPhone 16 Pro has made waves in the tech community, offering a combination of innovative features, enhanced performance, and an impressive design. With each new release, Apple raises the bar, and the iPhone 16 Pro is no exception. Here's an in-depth look at what makes this device stand out. Design and display. The iPhone 16 Pro continues Apple's tradition of sleek, premium design. It boasts a sturdy stainless steel frame with a ceramic shield front, making it resistant to scratches and drops. Available in an array of sophisticated colors, the device's aesthetic appeal is undeniable. The Super Retina XDR display has seen significant improvements, featuring a larger 6.1-inch screen with thinner bezels. This results in a more immersive viewing experience. The promotion technology allows for a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, ensuring buttery-smooth scrolling and responsiveness, particularly beneficial for gamers and content creators. Performance. At the heart of the iPhone 16 Pro is the A17 Bionic chip, which promises enhanced performance and efficiency. Built on a 3nm process, this chip not only boosts speed but also optimizes power consumption, ensuring that the device runs smoothly without draining the battery too quickly. This performance leap is especially noticeable in demanding applications like video editing and high-end gaming. The iPhone 16 Pro can handle multitasking with ease, allowing users to switch between apps seamlessly. Coupled with increased RAM, users can expect faster load times and improved overall responsiveness. Camera system. One of the standout features of the iPhone 16 Pro is its advanced camera system. Apple has taken photography to new heights with upgraded sensors and computational photography capabilities. The main camera now features a larger sensor for improved low-light performance, and the telephoto lens offers enhanced optical zoom capabilities. Battery life and charging. Apple has always prioritized battery life, and the iPhone 16 Pro is no exception. The efficiency of the A17 chip, combined with software optimizations, results in a battery that can easily last a full day, even with heavy usage. The device supports fast charging and wireless charging options, including MagSafe, ensuring that users can power up quickly and conveniently. Software experience. Running on iOS 17, the iPhone 16 Pro benefits from the latest software enhancements and features. iOS 17 introduces improved personalization options, enhanced privacy settings, and new widgets that offer more functionality. The seamless integration between hardware and software makes for an intuitive user experience. One of the most exciting features is the introduction of live voicemail, which allows users to see real-time transcription of voicemail messages as they are being left. This ensures that you never miss an important call.